You want a Ninja air fryer, but you're probably overwhelmed by the 20 different models that look exactly the same. Well, today we fix that. Here's what matters. You need something that cooks your food evenly, cleans up easy, and fits your daily routine. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which model gives you the absolute best bang for your buck. I'm going to count down from 6 to 1, so stick around because the top spot might honestly surprise you. 6. Ninja SL401 DoubleStack Air Fryer. I know what you were thinking. Vertical air frying sounds pretty cool, right? The whole pitch here is that it stacks 2 separate baskets on top of each other to save counter space. You get a massive 10-quart capacity without eating up your entire kitchen island. It honestly looks like a mini filing cabinet for your French fries and chicken wings. The design actually includes wire racks, so you can technically cook 4 different foods at the exact same time. This sounds incredible on paper if you were trying to feed a whole family at once. You know, putting your veggies on the top rack and proteins on the bottom rack of each basket. It uses what Ninja calls their DoubleStack technology to push heat all the way through the back and around the racks. But here's what matters when you actually start using it in the real world. Because of how the heating elements are positioned in the back rather than directly above the food, the crispiness can be really inconsistent. I noticed that the food on the upper wire racks gets noticeably more crispy than the food sitting at the very bottom of the baskets. You end up having to pull the baskets out and rotate everything way more often than you should. Another thing that really started to bug me is the sheer height of the machine. Sure, it saves width on your counter, but this thing is so tall that it might not even fit under your standard kitchen cabinets. 5. Ninja AF141 Air Fryer. This is pretty much your classic basket-style air fryer with a 5-quart capacity. It is designed to be completely straightforward and simple. You are getting 4 main functions here, which are air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. It looks familiar, and honestly, it feels like the default air fryer everyone pictures in their head. The 5-quart basket is actually a really sweet spot for cooking portions for about 2 or 3 people. It easily holds enough chicken wings for a movie night without crowding the basket. You get the non-stick crisper plate, which is super standard, but does a decent job of keeping your food elevated above the grease. You know, it does exactly what you expect an air fryer to do without any complicated menus. But let me explain why it only sits at number 5 on my list today. The build quality on this specific model feels surprisingly lightweight and almost a bit cheap compared to older Ninja units. I mean, when you pull the basket out, it kind of rattles around and does not slide back in with a satisfying click. It just feels like they compromised a little bit on the materials to keep the price tag down. You will also notice that it can get really loud while it runs. The fan inside this thing sounds like a tiny jet engine taking off in your kitchen. If you are trying to have a conversation or listen to music while cooking, you are definitely going to be annoyed. 4. Ninja AF182 AMZ Air Fryer Pro XL. This model takes the classic basket design and just perfects it in almost every single way. You get a really generous 6.5-quart capacity, but somehow the machine itself does not look huge or clunky. It has a sleek gray finish that just looks incredibly sharp sitting on your counter. One of the absolute best things about this unit is the Max Crisp technology. Let me tell you, this feature is an absolute game changer for frozen foods. It blasts superheated air up to 450 degrees. I mean, if you want frozen mozzarella sticks or French fries to taste like they just came out of a deep fryer at a restaurant, this is how you do it. The crunch you get is honestly unbelievable. It also features an upgraded nonstick coating on the basket and the crisper plate. You know how annoying it is when cheese or marinade gets permanently stuck to your air fryer grates? Well, the Pro XL wipes clean so easily that you barely even need to scrub it. Just a quick rinse with some warm soapy water and you are totally done. It makes the after-dinner cleanup completely painless. Here's what matters for everyday use. The digital display is incredibly intuitive and angled perfectly so you do not have to bend down to read it. The basket slides in and out with a smooth, solid feel that reassures you of its build quality. Ninja Crispi 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer. I have to admit, I was skeptical when I first saw this, but it is genuinely brilliant. Instead of a standard metal basket, this system uses heavy-duty glass containers that you cook directly in. You literally just snap the heating unit onto the top of the glass bowl. This completely changes the way you do meal prep. You can build your meal in the glass container and stick it in the fridge during the day. Then, when you get home, you just snap the air fryer module on top and hit start. It is the ultimate lazy cooking hack that still gives you a fresh, hot dinner. The glass also lets you see exactly how your food is browning from all angles without opening a drawer. The flavor you get from cooking in glass is remarkably clean. Sometimes metal air fryers can hold on to odors from previous meals, but the Crispi washes out completely spotless every single time. Let me explain. The glass bowls are also microwave safe and dishwasher safe. You are basically getting high-end food storage containers that magically double as an air fryer basket. I mean, the versatility here is just off the charts. You get different sized containers, so you can make a huge batch of roasted vegetables in the large one, or just crisp up a quick single serving of salmon in the smaller one. Ninja SFP 701 Combi All-in-One. Calling this just an air fryer is honestly an insult because it is practically an entire kitchen replacement. This oven-style unit can air fry, bake, roast, steam, and even cook pasta or rice perfectly. It looks like a futuristic toaster oven, but the technology inside is wildly impressive. The magic of the Combi is how it uses steam and cyclonic air at the exact same time. You can put raw pasta and water in the bottom pan and frozen chicken on the top tray. Hit the Combi Meals button, and 15 minutes later, you have an entire complete dinner. The steam cooks the pasta, while the air fryer crisps the chicken to absolute perfection. It is basically foolproof. I really appreciate the little window on the front door so you can watch your food without letting all the heat escape. The interface uses this smart switch system where you flip a little lever to change between the steam functions and the traditional air fry functions. Let me explain. This physically seals the chamber to trap the moisture when needed. It is a really clever design that makes using it completely intuitive. The capacity here is incredible for families. You can easily fit a whole chicken and a tray of potatoes in here at once. Even though it does a million different things, the pure air frying performance does not suffer at all. Ninja SF301 Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. This machine is an absolute masterpiece of kitchen engineering, and it completely transformed how I make dinner. It looks like a slightly bulky square pod, but what it does is nothing short of culinary magic. It combines steam cooking with incredibly powerful air frying in a single deep pot. The absolute best feature is the Speedi Meals function. You throw your base layer, like rice or quinoa, in the bottom of the pot with some broth. Then you drop down the crisper tray right on top and add your marinated meats and veggies. In just 15 minutes, you get fluffy, perfectly cooked grains on the bottom and beautifully seared, crispy protein on top. It literally saves you an hour of cooking time. What makes it beat the Combi for the #1 spot is the sheer depth of the pot and how incredibly simple it is to use. The square shape means it fits perfectly in the corner of your counter. Let me explain. The deep 6-quart pot allows you to slow cook, sear, and sauté just like a Dutch oven. You can brown your beef directly in the pot before switching it over to slow cook a massive batch of chili. I mean, the pure air frying power on this thing is aggressive in the best way possible. Because the fan is positioned right above the food inside a tightly sealed chamber, the heat transfer is incredibly efficient. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.